Hello everybody, this is Christy here. I'm gonna show you how I made this animation right here. So we've got a few bones and a muscle, and they are moving like the type 3 lever in physics. Now, if you want to make this animation, you will have to get some images of a muscle and a few bones. So once you have them, you import them into After Effects. This is After Effects CS6. So you want to start by animating this part of the bones. So you want to drag this anchor point in the center of rotation. Alright, and then you're gonna press R to bring the rotation. So you can now rotate the hand. Okay, so we want to create a keyframe right at the beginning right here. So I'm gonna press this stopwatch right here to create a keyframe, and that's gonna tell the program that at this point in time I want my hand to be right there. I want the property of rotation to be at 0 degrees. Alright, and then we're gonna move 1 second is enough, I believe, and bring it up a little bit. Okay, and it's automatically gonna create a keyframe for me. And then let's go to 2 seconds and move it down a little bit, and then we'll go another 1 second and we're gonna copy the first keyframe. Let's see, there we go, that is perfectly fine. Now for the muscle we have right here, we are going to use this puppet pin tool. Right, so we're gonna select it and we're gonna make some pins to it, and this is gonna tell the program which part of the muscle is going to move at what moment. And we're gonna synchronize the movement of the muscle with the movement of this bone right here, this group of bones. So we're gonna press this arrow, and what that's gonna do is gonna take us to the first keyframe in the timeline right here. So then we see that our arm has moved upwards, so we're gonna select puppet pin 3 and we're gonna move it a little bit upwards, just like that. And then we're gonna select our puppet pin 5 and move it upwards like that. Maybe even these guys are going to move upwards. Right, so the muscle is also growing. So this is what we have right here. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so the muscle is now extended, so it must be a little bit squeezed. So let's see what we have. Right, it goes up and then it goes down, and then it must go up again. So we're gonna go to the last keyframe, and there's a little trick right here. We're not going to move it anymore, we're just gonna copy and paste the first keyframes. So what we'll have is this. Okay, this is how it moves, and then it goes up again. And we're gonna go and create a new composition. We're gonna bring our compound in here, and you can note that it is moving just like we animated it right there. And because we copied the first keyframes, we can now duplicate the composition, and if we move it slightly to the right so that they overlap right there, you can see that the animation keeps going very naturally. And there we have our animation. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is going to file, export, and there's a lot of things going on in here as well. I'm not gonna get into them because they take a lot of time and it's quite a headache. So thanks for watching. That's it. That's how you make a muscle move. Now you want to go grab the text tool and put some text in here, make the text move. It's a lot of headaches right there as well. But for the purpose of this video, that was the hardest part. That's how you do it. Have a nice day.